Başladım.
Hello, this is Orhan Tuna from Control4's Turkish distributor. I will try to explain you how to introduce new HVAC IR drivers to your system. You will basically need the USB UART device, which you can just purchase from its site, from internet, and you will of course need the remote control for that HVAC unit. Once you download our software, as described in the previous videos, we have the IR option at device type, and at the end of the IR branch, we have the new one. Fan speed choice is not important. As you see, the button is changed when you select new. This window will appear when you trigger that button. Do not forget to enter a brand and model, and do not forget to put the power off command. When you select one of the options, this pop-up capture screen will come up, and this is when the system is in learn mode. To teach the off command, I will get the system on, aim it to the UART, and put it off. Now, let's get it on again, and let's start with the cooling mode, as this is cooling at low speed at 27 degrees. We will need to do 24.5. So I'm getting it to 26, and I am just triggering it and going on with just down commands, and the system learns the codes. Then I will need to teach the heat one. I am changing the mode for it, and of course the temperature to the required level. The trick is, some HVAC units do not take the device on when you change the temperature. So what I recommend, if the HVAC unit is one of those, when the mode is ready, just turn it off, and each time send the turn on commands to the USB UART, just like that. As you will only do it for only once, I recommend you to fill all the fan speeds so that the driver will be complete. For this video, I won't complete it. It will ask me to fulfill the empty boxes. I just say yes, and the driver is created. I close this window, and I have the new driver in the menu. As I don't have any fan speeds, it says no fan, and I can generate the drivers. Thank you very much.